My name's Louie Lively. I'm from Cleveland, Ohio. I wanted to expand my knowledge of detailing and, kind of set myself outside of what everybody else does around me and, just try to have that one level above. I really enjoyed it. It's very informative and I'm excited to learn what more you guys have to offer. I learned a lot that I was either rusty on or haven't known before. It was really nice to be able to work with products and some stuff that I've never worked with before. I enjoyed seeing how some of the different products worked and learning different tips and tricks that I've never done before, because that's really all you ever have. You learn more and that helps you with everything you do.